Great scholars, let us consider cumulative frequency curve today. Cumulative frequency curve. Cumulative frequency curve is also called ogive. It's also called the ogive. The cumulative frequency curve is also called the ogive. That curve is called the ogive. Now, for you to get your cumulative frequency curve, which is called the ogive, you need to get your cumulative frequency from the distribution or the frequencies given to you. You need to get your cumulative frequency from the distribution given to you. How do we do that? Let us consider the table that we used in the previous class and get the cumulative of that table and see if we can construct the graph which is called the cumulative frequency curve or the ogive. The table given, I'm going to use letter X for the product, and I'll use, of course, as usual, F for the frequency. The first that we have there was the soap, and Maggie follows, bread, malt, gari, and beans. And the frequencies are 5, 3, 4, 2, 7, 5. Let's quickly get our cumulative frequency. Our cumulative frequency quickly. You have your CF. The first is always your 5. Add that to this. You have your 8. You have your 12. You have your 14. You have your 21. You have your 26. You have 26. 26 is our cumulative frequency. So we are going to plot a graph where we have the cumulative frequency on the vertical axis and as usual our X or the items on the horizontal axis. And we're going to see how the graph will look like. Cumulative frequency curve, which is also called the ogive. Draw the vertical line. Draw the vertical line. The vertical line, this is it. Draw the horizontal line. Horizontal line. This. Then if you look at the cumulative frequency, we have the smallest is 5, the highest is 26. You can decide to arrange your numbers in magnitude or in orderly form like 2, 4, 6, 8 or 3, 6, 9 or 5, 10, 15, 20 in that manner. So I'm going to use 2. Then I'll be having 13 of these numbers. If I have my 0 here, let me see the line we're going to have here at last. 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So I'm going to use 2 as my intervals. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It will not go. Let's use 4. Let's use 4 directly. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 26. That is my arrangement of my cumulative frequency. Now, I have soap. Let me also cut in this form, in that manner. Let me also arrange in that manner to write them properly. You have let's be careful in doing that. This this, 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 this. Okay, I have here soap, Maggi, bread, malt, Gary, and beans. Okay, let's start the mapping now. For soap you have 5. 5 should be a little bit above 4. 5 should be a little bit above 4 because 6 is at the center, so I'm going to add 5. Put your asterisk this time. You're not drawing bars. Put your asterisk. Maggi is 8. Maggi is 8. Look at 8 here. There. So I have that. 12 is bread. Bread is 12. I have this. That. Malt is 14. 14 should be in between 12 and 16. There, you have that. Then you have Gary is 21. Further, you have a little bit here. In that manner, and beans is 26, the last one. There, you have that. So you have to join, carefully join. That is it, in that manner. The curve goes that way and it curves this way in that manner. So here's the curve. So that is the cumulative frequency curve from what you've done. If you carefully use your ruler to carry out the curve, you see your curve will assume a little part like X shape in that manner. So, but that is your curve in that manner. This is called the ogive, or you call it the cumulative frequency curve. You call it the ogive, or you call it the cumulative frequency curve. So, I said for you to get your cumulative frequency, curve, you need to have your cumulative frequency from the distribution given to you, and that I've shown you how to go about it. Then from there, plot a graph. This graph called the ogive, where your cumulative frequency will now be on the vertical side. Instead of your frequencies, you have the cumulative on this part, and you have the score or the materials or items on the horizontal part. Try to tally each of them carefully and use asterisks or circle dot to represent their point of intervals. If you're done, join all the points together. Whatever curve you have at that particular time is called your cumulative frequency curve, or it is called your ogive. So I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.